In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually quarantine contacts from receiving marketing emails in Hubspot. Let's dive right into the process together, step by step, making sure every part of the journey is easy to follow and understand. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Hubspot homepage. Make sure you're familiar with your login details, as we'll need to access your account. Once you arrive at the Hubspot site, you'll see the option to log in, typically situated at the top right corner of the homepage. Give that a click and enter your credentials to enter your Hubspot account. Upon logging in, you'll be taken to the Hubspot home dashboard. This is the central hub for all your Hubspot activities, providing quick access to your tools. Next up, you'll need to locate the CRM tool. You can usually find this within the main navigation bar. The CRM is where you'll manage your leads and customers, and it's going to serve as our workspace for setting up the quarantine process. Once inside the CRM section, proceed to the Lists option. Hubspot lists help you organize different sets of contacts according to specific criteria. Here, you'll want to create a new one, so click on Create List. Naming this list is key, as it will serve as your reference for quarantined contacts. So when prompted, type in Quarantine List. This name will uniquely identify this specific list, making it clear at a glance what the purpose of these contacts is when you or your team looks back at it later. After naming your list, click Next to proceed. Now we're tasked with adding criteria that will populate this list. Click on Add Filter to define who will be quarantined from receiving your marketing emails. Filters in Hubspot allow you to choose specific attributes or actions that define who goes into this list. Depending on your requirements, you can set filters based on different aspects like properties, recent activities, or any custom criteria your organization uses. Make sure the filters you apply accurately capture the contacts you intend to quarantine. This ensures your marketing messages only go out to the right people while keeping this group separate. Review the filters carefully. This will be the defining factor of what contacts get included in your quarantine list. With everything set, make sure to save the list. Once saved, your contacts on this list will automatically be excluded from receiving marketing emails, securing an efficient method to manage communication preferences. And that's it. In a few simple steps, you've created a quarantine list in HubSpot, safeguarding your marketing campaigns from reaching unintended contacts. Thanks for following along. Happy managing.